How to pay online with PagoPA without app. Pay Tari online, fines and much more. Open Google, search for PagoPA and select the first result. Once on the site, go to the Pay button here on the right. Then select, you don't have the app, Pay online. By doing so we will not need to register or download apps. You can choose whether to use the QR code that you find on the payment notice or enter the data manually. On the payment sheet, here you find the QR code and here instead you find the data if you enter them manually. We then enter the notice code, the tax code and click on Continue. Verify the payment data and go ahead. Enter the email. Now decide how you want to pay, enter the data and proceed with the payment.